Welcome back to Quarter 2 of NMS News. I'm Maddie.
I'm Ella.
And I'm Kylan.
Today we're going to be testing if foods are gas or trash.
Let's go!
With
Ella.
and
Rylan.
tell me a little bit about yourself.
I like my brother.
I play football.
All right, what food are you guys hoping not to get?
Spicy.
Garlic bread.
All right, do you guys think the new Taylor Swift album is gas or trash?
Trash.
Trash.
What?
Potato chip.
Trash.
Trash. Like Kool-Aid or fruit punch. Gas.
That's gas.
Gas. Oh my god!
Trash.
Trash. That's so disgusting.
What is it?
I don't know.
Sauce.
Ew. A mushroom.
Trash.
Trash.
Onion.
A mushroom. Oh my god, Brad.
Gas.
Gas or trash, Ella?
Trash.
That was one spicy episode. Now on to Book Talk with Andre.
All right, we're back with Book Talk with Andre. Andre, what's your favorite dog breed?
The Corgi, of course. I've had Corgi since 1995. My Corgi now, that is my favorite, is named Dagnia, and she pees on me when she falls asleep. It's disgusting.
All right, what book do you have for us today?
Restarted is so good. It's by Gordon Corman. If you've never read a Gordon Corman book, you are missing out. They're always funny, but they always have a really big life lesson. In this book, Chase is a huge bully. He is a jerk. He is a huge jerk. But then one day he falls off the roof of his house because, of course, why wouldn't you be on the roof of your house? He gets retrograde amnesia and he cannot remember anything. He doesn't remember his mom, his dad. He doesn't remember that he's a huge jerk and that everybody hates him except for his two friends who are also big jerks and vandals and just the biggest bullies around. So when he goes back to school and doesn't remember who he is, he's actually a nice guy. And he realizes people are scared of him. This book is told from several points of view, mostly from Chase's, but then also from this girl, Shoshana. And it's all about Chase realizing that you get to choose who you are. You get to be whoever you want to be, and you get to act however you want to be. And he decides that maybe he should be a better person. There's a mystery involved. There's lots of different points of view, and it's a quick read. I mean, it really is. There's lots of white space, and once you start, it just flies by. It's a great book. It's Restart by Gordon Corman.
All right, thank you, Andre. This book is a real page turner. Now on to Drip or Drown.
Welcome back to Drip or Drown. My name's Jalen. I'm here with
Rowan.
and
Wyatt.
tell me a little about you, Rowan.
I play football and I'm a wide receiver.
That's fun. And you?
I play football. I basically play every position.
Oh. Can you give me a foot check, Rowan?
Colorado shirt, Adidas shoes, and I have no idea what sweatpants these are.
And you?
I have a Colorado shirt, Champion pants, and Ultra Boost.
That's fun. What do you rate Wyatt's outfit?
10 out of 10.
Is it drip or drown?
Drip.
And what about Rowan?
I think he's a 15. Easy. I would say drip.
Oh, okay.
Watching this episode of Drip or Drown.
Now on to Guess the Football Player.
Back to Guess the Football Player. I'm your host, Landon. I am here with...
Mr. Splotchek.
Okay, Mr. Slotchek, what is your favorite football team?
Seattle Seahawks.
Okay, so you're going to be trying to guess the football player that I have in my head. Are you ready?
Yep.
Okay, so he played for the Ravens.
Okay.
He was a linebacker.
Easy.
Who?
Ray Lewis.
Good job, you got it. Okay, now we're on to the next contestant. And what is your name?
Zach,
And what's your favorite football team, Zach?
the Broncos.
Okay, so today you're going to be trying to guess the football player that's in my head. Are you ready?
Yep.
Okay, so he played for the Ravens,
Okay.
and he was a linebacker. Any thoughts?
Earl something?
No.
No? All right. What's the next?
He was one of the best at his positions.
I should know this. I don't know.
He was number 52.
Yep. I don't know.
All right, Zach does not know. See you next.
Welcome back to Grosshans Cooking. I'm Wes, and today I will be making a beef barbacoa quesadilla. For our first ingredients, we'll be using leftover beef, cumin seed, chili powder, garlic salt, and some oranges for a little bit of sweetness. Heat your stovetop burner to medium. Reheat your leftover roast. Then add your seasoning. And then add some oranges. And stir it all up. So, preheat your pan. Then add some shredded cheese. And then we'll want to add some of the barbacoa beef onto the tortilla. Add some avocado spray to the pan. Then you'll want to fold the tortilla and then place it on the pan. Okay. After a few minutes, when it gets crispy enough, flip it to the other side. When the cheese has melted and both sides of the tortilla are crispy enough, you need to remove it from the pan. Serve with refried beans. Add a little garnish with tomatoes, onions, and lime juice. And then add some delicious guacamole to it.
Welcome to this week's episode of NMS Dance Out. Shane and Rylan are going to dance and Ty will judge.
Today I'm here with
Ryland.
Tell me 3 things about yourself.
I played basketball, football, and I have straight A's.
Do you think you'll beat Shane in the dance-off?
No.
Today I'm here with
Shane Holland.
Tell me 3 things about yourself.
I play basketball, track, and I'm about to take the dub today.
First, Shane. Next, Rylan. Shane again. Lastly, Rylan. What do you rate Shane's dance out of 10?
9.
And what do you give Rylan out of 10?
6.
Thanks for watching this week's vid.
Be sure to watch next week's episode.